Hi, this is Rakesh. Today I'm going to show you demo of Espresso coffee maker Delonghi. This model is 680M. I got it today with Black Friday deal. It was a good deal. So yeah, let's make a coffee. Okay, to begin with, I will turn on the coffee maker, and while it is heating up, I will attach this coffee sprout without any coffee. This is just to warm up the spoon, and once this stops flashing, that means the machine has warmed up and it's ready to brew. In the meantime, let me prepare mixture with we'll have a Mocha mixture, Mocha cocoa. Today I will make a cafe mocha. Yeah. Just add 1 spoon of cafe mocha. The machine is ready. To begin with, I will let 1 cup of water just drain so that the machine heats up properly. And while it is doing it, I will add some hot water in the mocha mix so that all right. So this is hot water. I will mix mocha. Okay, so very good mixture is ready. This is hot water. I will just drain it out, and then I will take the spoon out and add coffee. There is a spoon, measurement spoon comes with the machine. So I will add 1 spoon and then press it so that it sits tight. This is very important step. If you leave the coffee loose, then the coffee will not come out with a proper flavor and the thickness. All right, so this is it. Just wipe off the extra coffee, put it in, fix it properly, and this is my cup with mocha. And now there's an indicator for 1 cup, so I will press 1 cup and yeah, the coffee will come out. Espresso coffee, thick layer. Okay, so that is done, and in the meantime I will have some milk. I just take very little for my 1 cup, and again after foaming it, it will become twice in quantity, and I'll use this for foaming the milk, frothing the milk. I'll press this button for frothing, and once it is ready, I will have this lever in the down position as a cappuccino, and then once it is ready, I will have it at around 45 degree and start. And when it warms and doubles, triples in size, we know that it is ready. See. Let's do it some more time. Okay. See, it is rise thrice to the volume. Let's make it silky, smooth layer of milk. Just wipe it off. Let that wear off. And now let's add this milk. It's very hot. I don't know how to make design, but let's try. Alright. So this is how it looks. I will slightly stir it just to mix mocha and coffee. So this is my coffee ready. I will sprinkle some powder on top, and this is ready. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.